gratitude. I feel blessed to have surrounded by invisible atoms, molecules, which makes me breathe. When I look around, I can't thank enough to see how colorful this Mother Earth is. The trees, the soil, the sky, the clouds, the sunrise, the sunset, the flowers, the mountains, the rivers and oceans. The music, the sounds are again overwhelming to understand the creation of this beautiful universe. Sounds of birds, river, ocean, wind, rain, thunder, and even the silence. I sit down, keep quiet, and think of myself, and again feel gratitude to live a life full of these beautiful experiences, beautiful emotions. Gratitude is all I feel for having chosen to see, to feel, to live, to bond with the beautiful parents I have. We all will live sooner or later, hence live this Mother Earth as much as you can and feel blessed. This life is for once and a very blessed one. Feel gratitude. Thank you. I hope you liked my poem, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, which is